Hey guys, this is Jonathan Henderson with Pressure Washing Marketing Pros, and I got Patrick Adams with me of Patrick's Paver Ceiling. Good guy out there in Sarasota, Florida. How you doing, my friend?
I am awesome, terrific. How you doing on this blessed Friday?
I'm doing good, man, on this Blessed Friday. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. So, guys, thank you guys for watching. We're going to be talking about how Patrick got into pressure washing, how we got into paver sealing, and how it's been like working with our company, and how we've helped him grow. And so, yeah, Patrick, let's go ahead and just start, man, because I know you've been running a pressure washing business for 10 years, and then I know you started Patrick's paver sealing a couple of years ago as well. But tell us how you got in the exterior cleaning industry.
So, got out of high school in 2004 and got with a home builder in 2005. Started pressure washing for him. Little wheel around pressure washer, doing construction cleanup out of a van. And then the market dropped off. My job went. I got into culinary arts, did that for a few years, had a child on the way. My buddy had a pressure washer. He goes, "Man, you've done this before. Go get some diaper money." So he gave me his pressure washer. I threw it in the back of my Ford Ranger, and away I went. And within a couple months, put in my 2 weeks and said, "Hey, we got something going here." Built our first trailer and been 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 grinding out ever since. And it's been awesome. It's really been something. And I wasn't into the paver sealing at first. Didn't really have the confidence in it.
Mhm.
But about 7 years ago, I went to a convention. I learned it. I've been going pretty much regularly since on conventions. Looking forward to going up to the Panhandle coming. We got the countdown 30 days here.
Mhm.
So looking forward to that and hooking up with everybody. But needless to say, got into it, been paver sealing, given good quality work. I seen that there wasn't, such quality work being given out there. And so I had a lot of clients that I'd show up and I'd noticed, regular clients with pressure washing and I'd show up and say they had a new driveway sealed. And I was like, "Man, what's going on here? We do this." And they're like, "Really? If we known, we would have had you."
Yeah.
So I said, "Man, we got to go. We got to open up a paver sealing business, and have them make sure they know that we do paver sealing." So now, hey, the front of our shirts say paver sealing, the back of our shirts say pressure washing, and we hooked up with Jonathon, and it's been an awesome uphill journey with Jonathon and his team. Really just help us, did a phenomenal website, got us ranked really well. And yeah, here we are, 2.5, 3 years later, we're,
Yeah.
we're cranking.
Yeah, man. Yeah. And so one good thing that Patrick has said is because I tell a lot of people, especially here in Florida, right? And I told you I had this conversation with you because I know you were like, hey man, I have a pressure washing website, but I also want to go ahead and rank for paver sealing. And I know when I showed you the results, I was like, look, man, you got to probably create a separate entity. And you already had the separate entity, but you were like, hey man, can I get my pressure washing website to rank for paver sealing too? And I said, man, that's going to be a little bit difficult. I was like,
Yeah.
we might need to get a new Google business profile and to also get another website because when you looked up like paver sealing in Sarasota and these different things, what was on the first page? It was only paver sealing business. It wasn't like pressure washing businesses. And then when you looked at pressure washing Sarasota, of course you show up on there, but it's only pressure washing businesses that show up on that first page. And so what I think that people don't understand is that Google is looking at paver sealing businesses and pressure washing businesses as two different type of businesses. And so
Exactly.
you will you'll get more equity on Google, you'll get more favor on Google whenever you separate out the pressure washing and the paver sealing. And not to say not to have your paver sealing stuff on your pressure washing website. We just know that if we have a website dedicated to just paver sealing, we're going to go ahead and rank better. Because if you're going to a pizza
Exactly.
shop, right, Patrick? If you're going to if you want to like the best pizza, in Sarasota, and I don't know the best places in Sarasota, but I'm just saying like there's a pizza shop in Sarasota that's has really good pizza, and then there's an Italian place that's known for their spaghetti, but they also serve pizza there. Where do you think most people are gonna go?
Hmm. The pizza place.
The pizza place, exactly,
Yeah.
because that's what they specialize in. And so it's the same thing when it comes to paver sealing, but you saw an opportunity. And that was
Yeah.
really good that I think that I saw of you. And yeah, man, the organic traffic ranking in the map pack, ranking like top three organically as well with that kind of stuff in other areas, man. I can't
Yes.
wait to see your business kind of take off.
It is, and it's taken a little time, but time and dedication and work, and that's where we're at today, and it is awesome and thriving.
Yeah, man.
Thanks to you and your team, and what we do out here on a daily basis. Also, it's
Yeah.
a team effort around the board.
Yeah, man, and you guys provide a damn good service, and so that's why you guys have really good reviews, and that's why you guys have that brand out there. I mean, I've talked to other people, like we're not working with them, but I've talked to other people that have been in Sarasota, and they've just been like, "Hey, man, like I know, Patrick's a good guy. I've always heard good things about like you and like how you operate your business with that stuff, man. So that's good to hear, So thank you so
Definitely.
much, though, Patrick, man, for joining us today. You know what I mean, and just getting your story and your experience working with us.
I appreciate the opportunity and look forward to many more as time goes on.
Yeah, man. Of course, of course. And if you guys have any questions, concerns, thoughts, or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll make sure to answer them personally. But yeah, guys, we'll see you guys in the next video. And once again, thank you so much, Patrick, for joining.
Thank you. Definitely. Have a great Friday. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you hopefully here and at the Panhandle.
You will. I'll see
All
you.
right, my man. Take care.
You too. Bye bye.
Bye.